We recently caught up with Anita Austin, former foster youth who is currently employed with the Georgia Department of Human Resources, a doctoral student at Walden University, and founder of a youth-focused nonprofit organization.
I participated in the Celebration of Excellence in 2005, and post the Celebration of Excellence, I've done a number of things. First is after obtaining my bachelor's in sociology, I actually went to obtain my master's in business administration, concentrating in healthcare and management. So I've been in school since 2005, and I'm currently still in school. I've obtained my master's, and now I'm working on my PhD in public health. I also recently just started with the State Division of Public Health, working as the data administrator in HIV and AIDS. So that's something that I'm really passionate about, and it's something that I'm going to focus on doing my dissertation within that particular area. I attend Walden University, and I will obtain my PhD in public health. So I'll be a doctor of public health, and what I'm going to be concentrating on again is HIV and AIDS. HIV is growing within the tween and teenage population, especially in the African American community, which makes up a large portion of the foster care youth. My nonprofit is called Through Their Eyes. It's a project that I started when I came back from Capitol Hill in 2005, and it's something that I'm passionate about, with youth having an opportunity to have a mentor, someone. Most youth in the system don't have at least one person that they can call, that they may be able to give them advice about just about how to fill out a job application or how to apply for college. We do need corporate sponsors, their support also, and their resources, so that we may be able to have a greater impact in the community. But I think it's important, as I've seen throughout my career and throughout my professional and personal growth, is to have someone there in different areas of your life that you would be able to talk with, and you would be able to, basically share your aspirations and your goals and things that you want in life. My message to them is that, get a plan, get people that support that plan, and then implement that plan.
We recently caught up with Makita Hamilton, a former foster youth who is currently serving as a youth advocate for Georgia Youth Empowerment.
I'm one of the founders of Youth Empowerment. We came up with the empowerment document. It was like 7, maybe 8 of us who originally were on the actual Jim Casey board, but it was 300 of us who worked on the actual document of issues that affect youth who are in foster care and have transitioned out of foster care. Okay. And on a day-to-day basis, it can be anything from taking pictures to working on documents to speaking on behalf of youth who are still in care. We did Medicaid 18 to 21 was one of our priorities last year, and I felt like we breathed that whole law and how to change it for youth who are in care. We were at the White House, not the White House, but the Georgia State Capitol almost every other day. It seemed like we were in their faces with the Women's Caucus, doing different things, just trying to make sure that we got that bill passed. Okay. As we grew over the years as the Jim Casey Youth Board, we had to come to a time where we had to sustain ourselves. So the people from Jim Casey came to us and said, how do you want to sustain yourselves? And we said one of our priorities was to go statewide. We didn't want to be metro anymore, we wanted to go statewide. So we took in other people's proposals and wanted to see who had pieces of empowerment that we were already currently missing. And so we took in MAC, and MAC had the emotional piece, they had the mental health piece that we needed to keep going statewide, the piece that we felt that embraced more people who are on our board. It's a statewide initiative, and then we each have our different tribes. That's why I said our tribe is Region 14. So to translate it to adults, Region 14 would be our tribe. Our tribe is DeKalb County. I'd always say get a mentor outside of DFACS, but don't let go of DFACS. Everything is not their fault. They didn't do it all. And I know sometimes we feel like it's all DFACS, but it's not really them. Use the services that DFACS has to offer. Use things like the Celebration of Excellence. Use those tools you need to get out and to transition and be a healthy adult. Okay.